Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we're going to be making a pop-up flower. Let's get started. For this project, you're going to need some glue and scissors and colorful paper. I actually have a little left over from another flower, and I was thinking, what can I do with these green petals? And I thought, oh, a little cactus would be so cute. So, to make my cactus, I'm going to use this piece, and I'm going to do a larger bulb. A little curve here. Okay. Then I was thinking maybe I could use some black paper as like the pointy parts, the prickly parts, and then these guys could be like the little arms that stick up. And I can glue them to the back so they stick out the side. That way I don't have that flat edge showing. So I was thinking I could glue, let's see. I could also make if I add, it needs to be like this, it could look like a little potted cactus. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. Little prickles coming up. If I had a little brown, I don't think I have brown. I've got orange, which is close. Let's go ahead and do this. And then cactus do sometimes have like a little flower on them. So let's smear this. There. Okay. And I have a little extra glue on my fingers there. I'm going to place this on top. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And on the back, I want these to sort of stick up and to the side a little. Almost like their little ears or little bunny ears almost. But not bunny ears. I don't want it to be bunny ears. I want it to look more like a cactus. So, okay. And then I need lots of little prickles. So I'm gonna make a French cut. Skinnier. Okay. Oh, I'm like trying to make it even skinnier as I go. Okay, hopefully that will be enough. And I'm gonna put some glue kind of here and there. Let's smear this around. I want prickles on it, and I want prickles coming off the side. And I'm gonna cut it over, see what happens. And I'm gonna do like a diagonal cut. So I've got some of different sizes. These need to be even smaller. Oh, it's already really cute. I could totally put these in a specific order so it looks like it has a face or something too if I wanted to be more thought out. Oh, right. Some more. More spawn on it. Ah, I like that. I like that one there. Stay. Okay. And let me get a white paper so you can see it. It's a little hard to see with my dark table. Got some prickles sticking out. Let's do some more. Right here. here. Aww, little stick out pokey parts. Ooh, this one's stuck to my finger. There we go. Ah, he won't stop sticking. Let it dry. Let my fingers dry. And then I also want to make like a little flower. And I've got this leftover right here that I think I want to use. Cut the diagonal. And just roll that. And have like a little flower sticking up the top right there. I think that would be so cute. Okay. Let's fold this in half and then roll this around. There's like a little bit of glue right there. I think that's going to be my flower base. Yay! Okay, once it's dry, I can fold these out a little bit more. A little glue and fold right there, and I got myself a little bit of cactus plant. It's so cute. A little bit up there. Yay! Woo! Well, I can't wait to see what you'll make in the art room. Till next time, keep being creative.